In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no preview available file in Google Drive. If you're seeing a no preview available message in Google Drive, this walkthrough will help you get that file to open quickly. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account in a web browser. From any Google page, look toward the top right corner for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click the Google Apps icon to open the app launcher. Next, click Drive to open Google Drive. Once Drive loads, find the specific document that's giving you the preview error. Move your mouse over that file to highlight it. Hovering helps you see the available actions for that item, and it makes the next step easier to perform. Now, right-click the file and choose Preview from the menu that appears. This tells Google Drive to generate a fresh preview for the document. In many cases, this immediate action forces the file to open in the preview pane, bypassing any temporary hiccups. Give it a moment to load. Large files or slower connections can take a few extra seconds. If the preview appears, you're all set and can continue working with your document as usual. If it still fails and you're still seeing no preview available, the next thing to try is clearing the browser's temporary data, which can sometimes block Drive from loading previews correctly. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window to open the main menu. From there, click Settings to open your browser settings page. Inside Settings, click Privacy and Security, then click Delete Browsing Data. Removing cached files and other temporary data helps clear out anything that might be interfering with Drive's preview feature. Keep in mind that deleting browsing data can sign you out of some sites and may reset certain website preferences. If you rely on saved logins, make sure you know your account credentials before proceeding. After completing the deletion, close the Settings tab. Return to Google Drive, locate the same file, hover over it again, right-click, and click Preview one more time. With the cache cleared, Drive should be able to fetch a clean copy of the preview and display it properly. As a quick tip, a stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser can also make previews load more smoothly, especially for larger files. But the two actions we covered, using the preview option directly in Drive and clearing your browser's temporary data, resolve this issue in most cases. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your files open without any more roadblocks.